So I don't remember what day is it today, but this is the breakfast. I'm eating oats with some Reza cereal. Okay, with milk and protein powder. So this, I guess, is a start, huh? 有没有 slim 啊？有没有比较 slim 啊？有没？真的吗？ Maybe morning also haven't eaten anything yet. Really, man? Later I see the video. Shall we just try to take my weight this morning? I think we should. Oh, I don't know, is it the weighing scale here is different from the shop or what? 70.85, you know? Huh? Why got so fast? I don't know whether the camera can pick this up. 70.85? What? This is after breakfast, okay? Hey, I lost another... That day was at 71.35, I think. 0.55. 73. I came back from US was 73. Then I'll be eating non-stop, ma. Okay, let's just target 69, okay? Although 68 would be nice, huh? Okay, let's try out the shop's weighing scale. Shop's weighing scale show that I'm at. Let's turn this around 71 kilograms. Okay, let's try without my t-shirt on since I was without a t-shirt just now. $70.9. Let's try one more time, huh? Okay, let me reset. Go! Wow, I really lost weight eh. So the shop's weighing scale and the home weighing scale is roughly about the same, maybe a 0.1 kilograms difference only. Okay, so today is the 4th session of the EM machine. Within the first 5 minutes, I did 85%, and after that, straight away, it's all 95%. And within 1 minute, right, I went up to 100%. So 26 minutes of 100%. I'm really getting used to it already. Okay, so I'm kind of getting very addicted. Well, let's see, with a little bit of dieting and this machine and this slimming drink, right? Let's see what the results are gonna be in 1 week's time. I hope I lose just 1 more kilograms. And for lunch, which is super late lunch at 3:45, we are having bak kut teh. So because I had been starving for so long, right? And I only had such a light meal, I wanted to go and binge with some Burger King or McDonald's or Korean food. But I thought let's give it a try to eat a bit simpler. Aiyo, the meatball the portion is so little. I'm still so hungry. Actually, I'm not hungry, but the urge to eat is there. Tahan. Okay, 7:01 p.m. and it's dinner time, and I've given our helper specific instructions. I'm really going all out, okay, to make fruits for me for dinner. Okay, of course I'm not so hardcore, yeah. So for a start, right, I'm going to mix fruits with proper food. Of course, no rice for me at all, yeah. 0 rice for me. And I hope to slowly right cut down my dinner diet. Just now lunch was already so little, okay? I had that little bit of meatballs and mee sua. But honestly, after 1 hour, right, I realized it's very full, you know? So it's actually more than enough. So I realized that every meal I'm just overeating. Tonight, right, is going to be half food, okay? Half of this meat and half fruit. So I'm trying to really cut down, okay? But I still need meat because I still want to gain muscle mass, okay? I don't like the feeling of looking very small, but I just want to get rid of the tummy. So this is it. Let's do it. So I like to proclaim like as though I'm eating very little food, but not true, okay? So this is what's on the meat and vegetables plate. And I'm definitely going to have the soup because the soup that my helper cooks is extremely nutritious. I want good stuff down my body. And this plate over here, including oats, is meant to kill appetite. It's meant to kill my appetite, and also, right, if let's say for supper I'm very hungry, right, I'm just going to binge on this. Yeah, Mr. Bean. This is my son and he eats slower than a snail. On a good day, he takes 30 minutes to eat finish. On a bad day, he takes 1 hour. So it really depends whether he's having his period or not. Ayo, it's 9 p.m. now. I'm in the kitchen and I'm looking at all this delicious food and I can't have any one of them. And the one that I find it the hardest to resist most is... No! I'm gonna have protein powder and then sleep. I don't have my casein protein, I should order my casein. I'm gonna have some oats, I can't take it. I'm having like this hunger pangs. I definitely have eating disorder, okay? That's why I need to have some oats. It happens once in a while, you know. No, it happens. I have eating disorder more often than I'm disciplined in my eating. So like in a year, right, I probably have eating disorder like 8 months. And then 4 months I have disciplined eating. And as we get older, right, we have to, it gets worse. We need more disciplined months in a year as we get older. So maybe we need the help of some aesthetic machines and enhancements. X shy only this boy. Burst from the moonlight. I'm gonna hit the sack every second. It's 11 p.m. and every second I'm out here, I'm getting hungry and I'm trying my best. No, I'm not trying my best. I must not eat supper at all. I shall not eat supper. It's like periodically, right, I would have eating disorders, but this season's eating disorder has been the worst I've ever been. Okay, so 11:05 p.m. now. Good night. Here's to a better slimming day tomorrow.